I come from which India? I come from two Indias. I come from an India where children in masks hold hands with each other, and yet I come from an India where leaders hug each other without masks. I come from an India where the AQI is 9,000, but we still sleep on the roof and look up at the stars. I come from an India where we worship women during the day and gang rape them at night. I come from an India where we claim to be divided over Bollywood on Twitter and yet are united by Bollywood in the darkness of a theatre. I come from an India where we scoff at sexuality and yet fuck till we reach 1 billion people. I come from an India where journalism is supposedly dead because men in fancy suits in studios give each other hand jobs, and yet women on the road with laptops are still telling the truth. I come from an India where we bleed blue every time we play green, but every time we lose to green, we turn orange all of a sudden. I come from an India where we laugh so loudly in the comfort of our own homes that you can hear us through the walls, and yet I come from an India where we break down the walls of a comedy club because you can hear laughter inside. I come from an India where old leaders will not stop talking about their dead fathers and young leaders will not stop following their living mothers. I come from an India that has the largest working population under 30 on the planet but still listens to 75-year-old leaders with 150-year-old ideas. I come from an India where every time we get information, we are always available to care for the PM, but we can't seem to get any information on PM cares. I come from an India where we kicked out the British, but yet we call the government the ruling party.
मेरा पिया घर आया ओ राम जी. Like, अगर भगवान को रिस्पॉन्स करें, वो गाना कैसा है ना? Like, मेरा पिया घर आया ओ राम जी don't give fuck about your पिया. मेरा पिया घर आया राम जी, like, मैं 14 साल से खुद घर नहीं गया. And अगर सीता ने सुन लिया तो वो तो डाउट करेगी कि if your husband is so, why you are updating my husband, bitch? And सीता को तो माधुरी पे पहले से शक है. वो गाना है तेरा करूं गिन गिन, तो उसको लगा वनवास गिन रही है कि साल 14 पे रुक गई है. मैं टीवी पे देख रहा था द बर्निंग ट्रेन, तो डैड आए एंड डैड इज लाइक ये बकवास मत देखा कर, उन्होंने चैनल बंद कर दिया. एंड आई वाज लाइक क्यों ऐसा? इज लाइक ये गोधरा कांड का वीडियो है, न्यूज चैनल चल रहा है. Like, मुझे तो लगा कोई मूवी चल रही है डायरेक्टेड बाय अमित शाह समथिंग, प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय आरएसएस, कुछ पता नहीं.
Parvati, goddess Parvati is getting ready to take a bath. She's picking up all the, the sandalwood paste and all the bath and body supplies. She's ready to go take a shower. That's when she realizes that, oh, the hubby, Shiva, Lord Shiva is not at home. Shiva has gone on some assignment, some destroy some evil, kill some people. That's his job, no? Shiva's got a nice job title, no? Destroyer, Terminator, right? Every evening, Parvati will ask, oh, Shiva, how was the day? Shiva will be like, oh, I totally killed it, baby. Nice job. So people will be asking, you are into destruction, sir? Yeah. You mean construction? No, that's Vishnu. That's somebody, as a colleague of mine. I take care of the destruction part, yeah? So Shiva is out on an assignment. Parvati is thinking, oh, how do I go take a shower without somebody? You need somebody to take care of the house, right? That's what I mean. Somebody to take God of the house. So she is waiting around. See, you finished that insider joke, huh? They have some special mechanism to take shower at home. I'm not referring to that thing. Parvati needed somebody to guard the house when she goes to take a bath. So she's waiting around, she's playing with this little sandalwood paste, and she makes a nice little toy. Yeah, it's a baby toy she's making. And by accident, she breathes into the toy. Because she's Parvati, she's full of Shakti, right? She's breathing into the toy, this baby toy becomes a baby boy. Lord Ganesha is born, guys. Lord Ganesha is born, it's the opening scene, yeah? But the story starts here only, yeah? The story starts here only. Parvati is so excited. Oh my God, look at this cute baby. Oh, all this mummy things. Oh, look at this cute baby. Ganesha, you're my baby. I am your mama. Oh, yo. That like. Then she realizes, oh, I'm gonna have, I need to take a bath, right? She realizes, why can't this baby guard the house? Yeah, it was child labor basically, security job. So Parvati is telling Ganesha, take care of the house. Okay, Amma is gonna go take shower. And remember this, don't let anybody in. Until I come, don't let anybody in. So she goes to take a bath. And Lord Ganesha is guarding the house. Of course, the next minute, guess what? Shiva is entering. Ganesha is like, I don't know you, sir. You can't enter the house. Shiva is like, who the hell are you, kid? Ganesha is like, I'm Parvati's son. Parvati's what? I was just gone, not even for a day. What the? Parvati doesn't even tell me these things. What is going on? He's already getting restless. Like, kiddo, just move. This is my house. I need to get in. Ganesh is like very adamant. No, Mama told me I can't let anybody in. You can't enter the house. Shiva is getting furious, trying to convince this kid. Ganesh is very adamant. At that time, Shiva orders his followers to fight with this kid. When you say Shiva's followers, that's the entire earth. So the entire earth comes there. The entire earth is fighting with this little kid. Of course, guess what? Ganesha is Shakti, right? Full of Shakti. He beats the crap out of the whole earth, man. He shatters the whole earth. And you guys are right. Parvati is still in the shower. Right, Shiva is getting furious. And the Sapta Rishis, there are 7 Rishis who are praying for us and all. They realize, oh my God, this is not good for the earth. They come down. They are taking the diplomatic route. They are sitting down trying to talk to this little kid. Yeah, they are trying to have a diplomatic dialogue. Ganesha is like, he's like a blind Amma follower. I don't know what you guys are saying. I don't even know you guys. I don't want to know you. Because Amma said I cannot let anybody in. That's it. I cannot let this guy in. So Shiva is getting extremely furious. At this point, Lord Indra, who is looking at all this from heaven, he feels like the US government, right? Oh, there is a big problem there. That's not my business, but I think I should go there. I think I should intervene. So he comes down, the Americans, the Lord Indra comes down with his entire army. Nobody called him, right? He comes down with his entire army, fights with this little kid. And guess what? Ganesha beats the crap out of the Americans also. Lord Indra and his army also. Right? You guys are right. Parvati is still in the shower. Right? So earth is shattered, heaven is shattered. Everybody has come. Whoever has to come, possibly could come, has come except Parvati. Yeah. At this point, we are left with Ganesha and Lord Shiva. They are facing each other. And yeah, 1-to-1. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, climax, right? Because Shiva is extremely furious. Not just furious, he's fast and furious. When Shiva is furious, you know what he does? He starts dancing. Freak the hell out of people. Ganesha doesn't know what he starts dancing this, dance called Rudra Tandavam, right? He's dancing at one point, so one weak moment, somewhere, Shiva chops the head of this little boy, man. Only the wind noise, yeah. Suddenly you hear this big noise. Ah! Yes, Parvati's out. Oh my God! What happened to my baby? What happened to my baby? Shiva is like, oh Parvati, Paru darling, calm down. Calm down, I can explain this. What are you going to explain? You did this. When are you going to stop killing people? Please. I want my baby back. Shiva is like, okay, now that I know he's our baby, I'll bring him back. Did he say our baby? Whatever. Yeah, there. Okay, I'll bring him back. So Shiva goes now and kills one elephant. Why does he kill an elephant? That's a separate Wikipedia page. That's a separate story. Yeah? He kills one elephant, brings that head, puts it on top of this Lord Ganesha's head. That's how Lord Ganesha is reborn. That's the story of Lord Ganesha, everybody. Isn't that awesome? Yeah. See what all happens because women take so much time in the shower. 2 wars. One poor guy was killed and poor elephant, what did that do? That was killed. So much happened because he just takes so much time in the shower. If this were Shiva taking the shower, in the first noise he would have come out with a towel or something. What happened?